Alright, sorry, my dog just like jumped on me. But anyways, what is up guys, Dizzy here, and you guys are probably wondering why I'm not doing a Call of Duty video. You guys can tell by the title of the video. I found my dog's, he loves his ball by the way, his obstacle, and I found an obstacle for him. Because I was like sitting there like, what do I do? But anyways, this is my dog. His name is Jake. You can call him Jakey Boy, that's what I call him. This is Cabela. Say hi, Cabela. She was looking at the ball. Watch this, watch this. See. Alright, anyways. Come on, Jake. Let's do your obstacle. No, not you. Come here, Jake. Come here, buddy. Here, get your ball. Ooh, that's how you catch. Come here, buddy. Alright, come on. Obstacle. Come here, buddy. Come on. Come up top. Go up top. Good boy. Go up there. Come on. Get down. Get down. Good boy. Go to bed. Go to bed. Go to bed. Come on, go to bed. Go to bed. Go to bed. Go to bed. Good boy. Come back out. Good boy. Get a drink of water. Oh, he didn't do it. Last time I said it, he got a drink of water. Alright, that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like for Jake. That would have been awesome if you caught that. But, leave a like for Jake. Leave a like for Cabela, too. Cabela. Cabela. Say hi. Say hi, Cabela. She has a ball. Alright, Jake. What? He snatched it out of his mouth. Alright, here, Jake. Watch this amazing catch. Boom. He caught it. Alright. So that's the end of the video, guys. Leave a like for Jake, the best dog ever. And Cabela, the second best dog ever. And yeah, bye. Bink.